Hi there folks, and welcome to the Word Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 242. So first of all, here's a wee Easter story and a half for you. So a man took on a ridiculous eating challenge of eating all of these cream eggs in just 24 minutes. So first of all, how many cream eggs did he eat? Well, as we can see, we've got a nice little array here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 along, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. So we could either count them all individually or just do 10 multiplied by 5. Either way you do it, you're going to get 50 cream eggs. So if he continued to eat at this rate, how many cream eggs would he eat in 1 hour? So first things first, he's eating 50 cream eggs in 24 minutes. So if we divide, now assuming the rate remains the same, if we divide this by 24, that's the number of cream eggs that he's eaten in 1 minute. And then of course there's 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we could then multiply that answer by 60 to find that it would have been a staggering 125 cream eggs. Definitely one that we wouldn't recommend at home, folks. So on to our sports story and the remarkable coincidence of Antoine Griezmann's 3 children all having the same birthday. I mean, what are the chances of that? So anyway, Alba's date of birth first of all. So as we can see, she was born on Thursday. So if we count back, that's Saturday, Friday, Thursday. That was 3 days ago from today's date. So if we take 3 away from 11, that's going to give us the 8th. And of course it's April, so that's 04, January, February, March, April. And then of course it's he's just had this daughter, so that would be 2021. So Alba's big brother Amaro is 2 years older, so of course it's still going to be the 8th of April. But if he's 2 years older, he was born 2 years earlier, which would be 2019. So Amaro's big sister Mia is 3 years older than him. So again, it's unbelievably the 8th of April. But if we take 3 years off of this, 3 years earlier, that would be 2016. Absolutely unbelievable story, and had to go in the Daily Rigour. Okay, so say we all remember our first cars. Mine was a Ford Mondeo many years ago. So what we've got is we've got a wee number plate quiz based on you being able to determine how old these cars are or when they were registered using the old system of number plates. So if we begin, what we can do is we can write out the alphabet, but as we can see from the old system, the letters I, O, Q, U and Z were not used in this numbering system. So we can now count up once a year until we get to the letter P. So starting at A is 1983, 1984, 1985, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1990, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can see from the letter P, that's going to be 1996. So what about the second one, which is S? Well, we can count along from P. We said that was 1996. So R would be 1997 and S would be 1998. Now X is a wee bit trickier because from 1999 it was then a new letter every 6 months. So if we start in 1998, so T would be 1999, V would also be 1999, W would be 2000 then, but X would be the second half of the year 2000. So, and then the other way, what was the first registration plate and the first Ford Mondeo ever registered? It does say in the article that it was introduced in 1993. So if P was 1996, N would be 95, M would be 94, and that means that the letter L would have been in 1993. So an interesting wee story there and a wee bit of history to do with number plates. Okay, on to our last point. So tipping point host Ben Shepherd declaring maths is horrible, is just horrible, full stop, in reference to the final question of the game show. Shame on you, Ben. And as we said in the article, we would strongly recommend subscribing to our Rigour Maths account to try and improve those skills. So the contestant won £2,050, with each countering tipping point being worth £50. So how many counters did he win? Well, we need to see how many times 50 goes into £2,050, so that will be a divide. So that was 41 counters that the contestant won. So there you have it, folks, our word solutions for this week. So stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.